you be willing to exercise to live longer and healthier? Most people would say yes, and then do not want to put in the time and effort to exercise. For many people, they do not have the motivation. Companies know this as well. Profit systems attached to health, nutrition, and fitness try to define what matters and why. What causes most people to start exercising is either being overweight, being too weak, or having underlying health conditions. Exercising at least 30 minutes per day can help people mentally, physically, athletically, and improve themselves to be as healthy as can be. And exercising is a lot more than just lifting weights. When people think of exercising, they do not think of how much exercising can help their mind. For many years, exercise has been considered to not help the brain at all. Nowadays, a number of studies are being done showing that engaging in physical activity can block out negative thoughts and worries, help people with social interactions, improve memory, create a positive mood, and even change chemicals in people's brains, including stress hormones. Exercising is extremely beneficial for those battling depression and anxiety, and also exercising decreases people's chances to get Alzheimer's disease. Scientists have found that simply running leads to the birth of new neurons in the hippocampus, a structure and formation in the brain that is connected to memory. Especially as people become older, studies are proving that engaging in exercise is becoming more important, and because working out is more beneficial to them as compared to the younger generations. In a study of more than 7,000 middle-aged people in the UK, published by Brain Imaging and Behavior magazine, they demonstrated that people who spent more time engaging in moderate to vigorous physical activity had larger hippocampal volumes. What this means is that adults that were working out tended to have a larger hippocampus, which in turn means better memory. Also, when engaging in simple aerobic exercises, there is a clear and distinct link to other parts of the brain. One different part of the brain that benefits from these aerobic exercises is the expansion of the prefrontal cortex, a structure that sits just behind the forehead in the brain. Improving this prefrontal cortex has been proven to sharpen cognitive functions, which involves aspects of planning, decision-making, and also multitasking. These abilities, along with memory, usually worsen with age. Exercising is not only for the body, but also for improving one's state of mind. As people get older, it is important to exercise in order to keep the mind sharp. One last effect of exercising is the improvements it can make with athletics. Almost every athlete in the entire world is forced to work out in order to be able to play and participate in their sport. Athletes need to build muscle, build endurance, and mold their body for their sport, which can only be done by working out. The great thing about athletics is the fact that participating in the actual sport is a workout in and of itself. This is why many people like to play sports. Also, Better Health Channel has stated that at least 30 minutes of exercise is the amount of time to have an effective workout, which makes sports good because they usually last that long, if not longer. It provides a fun and easy way to get a workout done instead of lifting weights or going on a run. A great amount of research has been done and shows that athletes have extraordinary health benefits. According to many researchers, athletes have lower chances to get certain types of cancers, have strengthened immune systems, and have more prolonged life. The health benefits athletes get from sports are immense and proven to improve their lives a great amount. Exercising is an important part of life and a great way to live happier. Without knowing the effects of exercising, it can be hard to get motivated to work out. Researching the best workouts for each individual is an important factor as well. For anyone who has wondered what exercise is best, there's one sure way to find out. Study the science of exercise. From mental benefits like improving memory to physical benefits like losing or gaining weight, working out has endless rewards. The importance of people starting to exercise for a better life cannot be overstated enough. If people work out for at least 30 minutes per day, they can improve mentally, physically, and athletically, and have an overall happier life.